Hi guys, in this lesson we are going to see how to check what are files and folders available in the current path in terminal. Now we are in the root path. As you know, this is my root path. Then we will go to our desktops by saying cd desktop. Now you know I have a folder called coffee space. To define the space, we can say / space programmer. Okay, now the command is ls is the command that allowing us to see what are files and folders available in the terminal current location. Now in my desktop, this is that folder. I will create another folder and I need some files to here. I will drag some files. Okay, these are files. Now if we say ls in the command, you can see we can see folders and also files. We can identify files because there should be some extension like this. Okay, now if we go to our root path, to go to the root path, we can say cd, just cd. Okay, if you press just cd and enter, you can go to the root path in the terminal. Now how we can check the files and folders in the root path, and we want to see what are some hidden folders there. To do that, we can say ls -a. Okay, now you can see there are some hidden folders by dot and the folder name. There should be a dot the in the left side. Okay,